Hi guys, my name is Jesus Javier Caicedo and grow number 9, and in this moment I'm going to do my activity according to activity guide. First of all, I want to give information about who am I and what is physical. I don't have any mustache. I am tall. I have black skin, you know. I don't have any mustache and physical fit, you know. So this is my information. Well, in this moment I'm going to speak or to say my daily routine. First of all, I get up at 7 o'clock. I put on my robe. I go downstairs and make a cup of hot chocolate. Then I get dressed and go out. Before go out, I teach my brush and go out to work. And sometimes I play the guitar. I play the Sunday. I play football, or when I have free time. I take like English course too. And sometimes I sell ticket for holidays to Mexico, Brazil, Russia, and Spain. I try to living well, you know, because that is the reason I had 3 jobs, because I need the money. Well, in this moment, my weekly routine is the same thing. I have 3 jobs, so in my 3rd job, I'm a chief captain, and every day I try to drive my boat, you know, and give information about my crew, you know. And my other job, I try to sell ticket, you know. At the end of the year, I try to go on vacation another country. Last year I was in Jamaica, in Negril. It's a city of Jamaica. I go there and I know different people there. You know, people speak English with different accents, but sometimes I try to understand, because it's very difficult for me, because I speak Spanish language and they speak English like a Jamaican accent, but I can understand a little bit, you know. Well, this is all information. Thanks for about this video, and I try to play another scene. Okay, thanks for about this video. Thanks a lot.